Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy rate on Charles Schwab. First, log into your Schwab account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Trade tab, which is typically found in the main menu. This is where you'll initiate all your investment purchases. Familiarize yourself with the layout, as you'll be using this section frequently for your investment activities. Now let's find the right rate for you. On the trade page, look for the Research or Screeners section. Here, you can search for individual rate or rate exchange-traded funds, also known as ETFs. Utilize the available filters to narrow down your choices based on criteria like property type, dividend yield, or market cap. Always review the detailed information provided for each option. Once you've identified a rate or ETF you wish to purchase, click on its ticker symbol to view its details, then select Trade. You'll be directed to an order entry screen. Input the ticker symbol, specify the number of shares you want to buy, and choose your order type, such as a market order for immediate execution or a limit order to set a specific price. Double-check all the details before confirming your trade. After your order is executed, it's important to monitor your rate investments. Regularly check their performance within your Schwab portfolio. You might also consider setting up dividend reinvestment, which automatically uses your dividend payouts to buy more shares, potentially growing your investment faster. Remember, a well-managed portfolio requires ongoing attention. And speaking of smart choices, check out the link in the description for some amazing deals, including those darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty and other great products.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.